Welcome to Financial and Investment Wisdom. When your phone rings and announces that you have new notifications regarding of money you have earned, there is no greater happiness than that. The wonderful smell of success is not incomparable to anything else. To make money on your own and see all of your hard work pay off is a strange sensation. But it's undoubtedly a different degree of fulfillment to be making money with a remarkable technique that can bring in over $1,000 in pure profit. Yes, that's exactly correct. Since you won't be investing anything to make this entire plan work, everything you make will be pure, tangible profit. I'll share a tiny secret with you now, but it's very under wraps right now. So, if you're even watching this video right now, consider yourself lucky. The best part is that you can use this method no matter what part of the world you are in. You should stick with me until the finish of the video since very few people are aware of this entire method. Everything I'll talk about with you is so simple that you can complete it in the blink of an eye. Now, I don't want to keep you people waiting much longer and add to your suffering. So without further ado, let me introduce you to the first website, remotetasks.com. Although you may have heard of this strategy before because remote jobs are so common, it's likely that you never really understood it. This video will teach you everything you require to progress to remote work and use it as a tool to create significant streams of revenue. You can see from their website that you can use this platform to earn money in US dollars while sitting at home and performing online jobs. As I said, hustlers like you are extremely fond of this platform. As demonstrated by what they say here, with a total of more than 240,000 taskers working on this platform. This website undoubtedly provides all the products you need to be happy with your revenue. Now that you've scrolled down, look for a part where you may read about how it functions. Perform tasks to earn money. It really is that easy. Earn money by doing basic tasks, such as categorizing photographs or transcription of the audio. You can simply carry out this procedure in 3 simple steps to further simplify it. Step 1. Easily learn new skills with our fast online courses or no-cost practical training. Step 2. Complete tasks. Work on tasks from projects you've unlocked. And lastly, Step 3. Get paid weekly in US dollars. Obtain payment in US dollars as the final stage. Depending on the quantity and quality of the work you've accomplished, you'll receive quick payment every week using PayPal or AirTM. Okay, feel free to scroll down the website a bit more to find all the information you require to learn about. Even some frequently asked questions are included near the bottom, where you may learn more about working remotely. Like how to join the website or if we can access the website using mobile phones, etc. Please feel free to research each query so that you may feel even more certain about the reliability of this website. You can even find more details that help to further demonstrate that this website is legitimate as you continue down. Real testimonies and success stories from taskers all over the world can be found here. You can see that the platform has already paid more than $15 million to its members as of now. And the website is available in 90+ countries. If you scroll further down, you can see some videos here from our taskers categories. There you will find videos of people who work for remote tasks and have made a significant amount of money using it. You are free to watch these videos at your leisure in order to find more motivation to pursue a career as a remote tasker. When you're finished, go all the way to the top of the page to start the sign-up process. Simply click this sign-up only black button here. Once you've done that, you'll be sent to this page where you may start the registration process. To continue with the establishment of your account using Facebook or Google, click this box that says, I agree to the terms of service and EU DPA. After completing the registration process, you can now focus entirely on completing the activities shown on your dashboard. You will never go wrong by following any one of these duties because everything will be so enjoyable and engaging. Naturally, it will also enable you to make a lot of money. Therefore, this approach is fantastic, and it was used for remote work. With this method, you can simply make money from the comfort of your house, and with zero investment. This is a brilliant strategy, and it only gets better with time. So sign up ASAP. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Goodbye. Till next time.